Here she is. Welcome back to the boatyard, everybody. Got some good progress going on here. Working on gel coat, getting this thing prepped to look better. You can see we've done a bunch of sanding up top. The whole rub rail up's gonna get gel coated. Down here it's actually looking nice and shiny now. You can see what we started with. All this nice milky white. And then you've got the shiny. I'd say that's not half bad. You can see some of the color fade. Maybe it picks up on camera, maybe it doesn't. You can see me, so that means we're making good progress. Here's the line, right there. This is where the number panel was, so you can see there's a slight color difference, but overall, pretty good. Pretty good. Whole sides are done. That's where it's all sanded, getting prepped to get re-gelled. Bunch of cracks that we found up on the deck that are getting filled. Have to insert some photos. Our guy, Mr. Bernie's going to town. Scraping them off, a little bit of grinding, fill it with some glass, sand it back down. Fortunately, this thing's on the older side, so we had to get a custom gel coat match from one of our guys. Not something we could just pull off the shelf. And we're gonna have to paint match all these vents, but it's gonna look nice and perfect, hopefully, when it's done. And we gotta do the trailer as well. Sticker fade. I don't think we've done anything on the transom yet. I think the transom will live, though. Get up in the thing and take a look. Fuel tanks and floors are done. Brand new IMCO tanks, 100 gallons a side. The old ones used to be 1/8. The new ones are now 3/16, a little bit thicker. Weight difference, I think they said, is 60 or 70 pounds a tank to up the material thickness. So overall, this boat weighing 9 or 10,000 pounds, who's gonna care about 120 pounds? At least the way I see it, just for longevity reasons. Get in this thing without eating it. I'll insert some photos, but you can see the new tanks look good. All foamed in, new floor brackets supporting the floor. All aluminum angle that goes around the side. Had a little bit of rot that we filled, and all the exposed wood. Filled it in, glass over the top. Should be solid now. You can see plugs that I made for the fiberglass on the bulkhead. And I got the whole dash stripped down. All new gauges ordered up. Gonna reuse some of the panels, but everything's gonna be brand new. All these gauges new. Gonna put a Garmin here and a Garmin here. Originally, there used to be a screen here when my dad had this boat. Then when it changed owners, speedo and a manifold pressure there. But we're gonna put that back to a screen, get these filled in, cut the new holes for the screens, fill in these holes, and then make the layout that we want. Hopefully this will come up on camera, but that plug is glassed in. Got a ton of wiring back here that needs to be gone through. Honestly, most of it's gonna get eliminated. Was all mechanical gauges before, and most of it's gonna be digital now. These are the switch panels wrapped up when the glassing was done, just so they don't get glass and resin all over it. But those are going to get reused, and the wiring that goes to it and these guys will get reused. But all the wiring for the mechanical gauges is going to get all redone. So I got to sort through this rat's nest and eliminate everything that's not going to get used out of this, which is most of it. So I've already clipped a decent amount back here. This is just what's left. That's going to be fun. Woo! Okay. I'd say that looks better than it was. Oh. Tad bit cleaned up, huh? Left what I had to. Left this old harness that connects all the switch panels together. I think it's because there's 3 different panels or 2 different panels that can do drive and tab trim. So basically I only left anything that connects these switch panels together, or the nav lights and the dome lights that are up here. Oh, you can't even see that, but much cleaner. Got rid of most of the junk. It's still a mess in the boat, but you get the idea. Just prepping so that this can get filled.